the structural steel design, there are three typical design theory, which include the elastic design, plastic design, and also limit state design. For the elastic design, structures are analyzed by elastic theory, where steel is elastic up to its yield point. The sections are sized so that the permissible stress within the members are not exceeded. Such design is in accordance to BS 449. As for the plastic design, it considers the behavior past the yield point, which is based on the findings of the load that caused the structures to collapse. The working load will be the collapse load divided by a load factor. This is also in accordance to BS 449. As for the limit state design, it considers all conditions that can make the structures to become unfit for use. It is based on the actual behavior of the materials and the structure in use. This design approach is being adopted by Eurocode 3. The aim of the design is to produce a safe and economical structures that fulfill its required purpose. The meaning of the safe design consists of the analysis of the structure plus the design in accordance to the standards. Nowadays, the design of the structural steels are all based on the Eurocodes, specifically the Eurocode 3, which outlines the general rules of the design, and in reference to some other Eurocode standards as listed. The design approach are founded on these three methods, which are the simple frame, continuous frame, and semi-continuous frames. While designing for the simple frames, the joints are not required to resist moment. That means the connections are considered pinned and the structures need to be braced. If you are designing for the continuous frame, the joint will be considered as rigid and is able to carry the full strength of the members, and the joints must be able to transmit all the moment and forces from a member to another. As for the semi-continuous frame, you will need to determine the actual strength of the joint for the design.